Hey guys, this is me getting down to it. Um, cutting out the pockets and the belt loops and the belt for the white jersey dress. I just got through just now filming myself chalk marking the dress and pinning the pockets and the belt loops to the dress. It's been over like 3-4 weeks since I worked on this project. It's a confidence thing, but I got to it today. I got through it. It took me about half an hour, maybe 40 minutes. Also, near the end of this video, you're going to see the dress giveaway again, and you will also see a dress I made with that same fabric a hot minute ago. Maybe, I don't know, the fabric has just been sitting here, so I have some more of it, so that's the reason for the dress giveaway. But you will see right after you see the ad about the giveaway, you will see a model wearing a dress made of that same fabric, just in a different style. So that's coming up in about 10 minutes. What was I thinking about? I'm thinking I need to be careful because I want to post some of my art on here, and my art can get kind of political. So, yeah, right now it's not a cool time, but I also don't want to police myself and keep my opinions and my speech to myself. As someone who was in the queer community, surviving and earning a living should be a basic right, but even that is, people are trying to take that away from us. So, and I'm still trying to sell these garments here. Someone's texting me. I think I should look at that real quick because it might be important. And someone liked one of my comments on YouTube. So, my child is asking me questions about the lineage. So, I'm going to text her back. In the MI middle of FILM filming, will get back to you in about 15 minutes. Promise. So that was from my child. Losing my darn train of thought. Anyway, I'm cutting out the pockets as you can see here. I was kind of shaky here. I was. And this is my my third project. I'm contemplating what I'm going to make next. I said in previous videos I was going to just make the dresses. Now I've changed my mind again. First I'm just going to make dresses. Then I'm going to make this. Now I'm going to make dresses again. My mind is like, bitch, pick a journey and stick to it. So, yeah. The other thing is with these particular, I'm going to make more of these. End of story. They're only size 8. So I need to find because I gained weight. That was a time when I was a size 8, literally. But I need to make a garment that fits me so I can wear, like I've been saying. And I don't want it to be one of these dresses. Not because I don't like the dresses. I don't wear dresses that much. I can wear a dress. And I have extra fabric. I have extra red fabric, the terry jersey, and I have extra white fabric. So I'm thinking maybe I should just go ahead and make my dress in red and white jersey and still make the other stuff later. But yeah, I'm thinking about my next project. And this is going to be done pretty soon because I'm telling myself, I've been, hammering myself, pushing myself, talking to myself about my confidence, sitting with my uncomfortableness. And when I'm sitting here facing my uncomfortableness, I tend to push myself, just like anyone else. So yeah, you guys can come for me, come for my looks, come for my pot belly, but I'm pushing myself. So I'm saying all that to say I need to get on the good foot and push myself some more, sit with my uncomfortableness so I can go ahead and get on my next project. Because all I have to do now is fix those pockets and belt loops to the dresses and then sew the dresses together. And to be perfectly honest, if I really sat down and had my confidence at 100%, this cut off. So if I really sat down and put my mind to it and my confidence was peaking, I could do all that by Friday. Actually Thursday, because today's Tuesday. I could do all this by Thursday and have taken photos of them and have them up on the Shopify account by Friday. Don't let me get my confidence on, because it will be on. But yeah, I need to find a new project real quick, and it's either going to be some more of these dresses, which I said I'm going to make some more because I have more material. I have some knit material that's pretty tight that I might use, and then I have some polyester. It's tight. It's like bandage material, but it isn't bandage. So I have a lot of that, so I can make more dresses. I want to make pants suits so I can wear pantsuits. I want that variety, but then again, like I said, that's doing two different things. So I need to focus on one thing, and so that has me conflicted. And I'm starting to wonder if I'm using that confliction, that conflictedness, that conflicted I don't know, state of being as an excuse not to work. So I also have to resolve that. So, but yeah, I've got enough fabric to do some stuff, but I need to figure out what I'm going to make and then make the pattern. The other thing is I got to go back through my patterns. This pattern right here is one of the easiest to make, which is why I picked it in the first place. I mean, it's just a basic bodycon dress with pockets on it. Honey, this was easy, and it's taken me this long. So I can imagine if I try to make a pantsuit, it's going to take a minute, and I don't have a minute, so I need to figure out something real quick. Whew. Those are the big pockets right there. They have the pleat in the middle. Coming up in about 3 minutes, we'll see the dress giveaway, and then the other dress that I made a minute ago out of the same material. No music this time. I'm also putting in applications for work. I don't mind working, to be perfectly honest. I just wanted to be able to, devote all my time to this, which is, you know, again, focusing on one thing and not focusing on 3 different things or 4 different things. So, yeah. Trim them up. And I'm putting the notches in there now for the seam allowance. If they're all the same size, everything should go in the same place, blah, 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 blah. Okay, here comes the advertisement and then the Blast from the Past dress. Hope you enjoy. Please like, subscribe, share, comment. Size 14. You must subscribe in order to win. So yeah, I made that dress a while ago, and the young lady who was wearing that was kind enough to let me take pictures of her. So we're coming up on the end here. Again, I'm here 7 days a week at 8 o'clock, working on my my live. Getting comfortable with being uncomfortable. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. Scraps. I use them for testing. I will see you guys in the next video.